certain things. Nevertheless, that creature won't give up, Doctor, and we still don't possess an actual weapon.
Your father got all the brains, didn't he?
Being ruined again.
Yeah, good. I'm in that one. You need weapons? We're in a library. Books. Best weapons in the world.
Which one's the greatest husband we can have?
Arm yourself.
No sign of my lady. Perhaps it's gone. Perhaps it's toying with us. But my husband's up there, and if there's any chance he's still alive, then by God I'll assist him.
You're the only one in the whole world who gets me.
You gonna say anything?
Every Monday, starting at 11 on Sci-Fi.
I tried something new. I tried something new. I tried something new. I tried something new to help make my heart stronger. Stronger. Smart Start. Smart Start. Smart Start. New strawberry oat bites. Light crunchy squares made with heart healthy oats. And the strawberry taste baked right in. It's good